last portion of the fiber optics is the application of optical fibers. Optical fibers has a variety of applications, and mainly these applications can be categorized into three different cases. One is they are used for illumination and short distance transmission of images. Bundles of free fibers can be bounded together and they can ground and polished. It forms a flexible light guide. This type of bundle can conduct light from one region to another region. Such flexible light carriers are very inexpensive and they are used for the illumination purposes. And when the fibers are carefully arranged to form a coherent bundle, and such a bundle can transfer images. That's when one end of such a flexible image carrier is placed face down flat on an illuminated surface, a point-by-point image of the surface appears at the other end. Endoscopes are such a type of coherent bundles. And the third one is they are used as waveguides in telecommunications. Traditionally, electronic communication were carried out by sending electric signals through copper cables, and now the copper cables are replaced by these optical fibers. And we have discussed in our first class the advantages of optical fibers over the traditionally used copper wires. And the next is they are used in fabricating a new family of sensors called optical fiber sensors. The variation of refractive index of an optical fiber under the influence of external force is utilized in the fabrication of optical fiber sensors. If the optical fiber is subjected to heating, then its temperature changes, and the temperature change causes a change in the refractive index of the fiber. That is, as the temperature increases, the difference between the refractive index of the core and cladding region reduces, and the light tends to leak away from the cladding. And this is used in many instruments like thermometer, and also some smoke detectors, photo detectors, and also some smoke and pollution detectors which can be built using these optical fibers. And the next one is the medical applications, and can be used in medical diagnostics as well as in medical procedures. In ophthalmology, a laser beam created by an optical fiber is used to reattach detached retina and to correct the defective vision. And in cardiology also, this optical energy transmitted through some type of optical fiber is used to evaporate the plaque that is blocking an artery. And this optical technology is also used in the cancer treatment. That is, the process involves the injection of some special chemicals that penetrates only the cancerous cell. The infrared energy is transmitted by the optical fiber, which illuminates the affected area and is absorbed by the special chemical in the cancerous cell. Then the heat generated destroys the cancerous cells. Next is the military applications, aircraft, ship or tank, which needs an optical fibers for wiring of their communication equipment, control mechanism, instrument panel illumination, etc. Then these fiber gated missiles are used in wars also. The sensors mounted on the missile transmit video information through the optical fiber. So it is used in even in wars recently. And these are the main applications of optical fibers. And next is the applications of lasers. We have already studied what is laser and the basic concept and all phenomena in the laser. And laser find applications in almost every field, and some of the important applications of lasers are given. One is in communication, and the second one is space exploration. The rockets and satellites can be effectively controlled by laser beam. And the third one is the measurement of large distances. That is, a distance between the Earth and the other planets can be measured with the help of this laser beam, because it is highly collimated and directional. And even in medical field, there are so many applications: tooth drilling, eye surgery, cancer treatment, etc. And this laser beam is used to trigger a thermonuclear reaction. And in military applications also, this laser beam is used in a number of ways. And holography means it's a three-dimensional image without the use of lenses. So this laser beam is used to produce three-dimensional images without the use of these lenses. And in science and even research, they are used. In research, so many chemical reactions can be accelerated by exposure to it by the laser beam. And it is also used to study so many effects like Raman effect also. These are the main applications of lasers.